Uranium, a word that instantly sparks curiosity, fear, and fascination. But what makes this element so powerful and dangerous? Let's dive into the world of uranium, the element of extreme radioactivity and immense power. Uranium, symbolized by the letter U and atomic number 92, is a heavy, silvery metal. It's not just any element. Uranium has been fueling nuclear energy and terrifying the world with its destructive potential for over a century. Discovered in 1789 by German chemist Martin Klaproth, uranium took the scientific world by storm when its radioactive properties were identified. But it was during the 20th century, when scientists like Marie Curie and Albert Einstein unlocked the secrets of the atom, that uranium's true power was revealed. Uranium's claim to fame? The atomic bomb. During World War II, uranium became the key element in the development of nuclear weapons, changing the course of history forever. But uranium isn't just about destruction. This element also powers nuclear reactors, providing about 10% of the world's electricity. It's energy-dense. Just a tiny amount of uranium can produce enormous amounts of energy without the carbon emissions associated with fossil fuels. But what makes uranium so radioactive? It all comes down to its unstable nucleus. Uranium naturally decays over time, releasing alpha, beta, and gamma radiation in the process. This radiation can be harnessed for energy, but also makes uranium incredibly dangerous if not handled correctly. When uranium atoms are split in a process called nuclear fission, they release a huge amount of energy. This is the principle behind both nuclear reactors and atomic bombs. It's a delicate balance between control and chaos. Now, uranium isn't just one thing, it comes in different forms called isotopes. The most common are uranium-238 and uranium-235. While uranium-238 makes up the majority, it's uranium-235, a much rarer isotope that's key for nuclear fission and power generation. Uranium is found naturally in the Earth's crust, with major reserves in countries like Canada, Kazakhstan, and Australia. But extracting and processing uranium for use in nuclear reactors or weapons is a highly complex and regulated process. While uranium has a dangerous history, it also holds the key to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. The challenge is learning how to harness its power safely. Will uranium be our ally or enemy in the future? Only time will tell. So next time you hear the word uranium, remember, it's not just a dangerous element, it's a symbol of the delicate balance between power and peril, one that has shaped our world in more ways than we can imagine.